What's up, YouTube? It's your guy Elijah from the Lifestyle of E, coming at y'all with another video. Today we're doing a quick transfer of my cilantro, my basil, and my onions. I kind of let some of the stuff dry out. It's not completely dead, so I got to transfer it so we can try to save as much as we can. Also, we're just going to put a bag of compost I got. We're going to sprinkle compost in the remaining plants that I have. Okay, stay tuned. So right now, we're taking these right here, and we're transferring them to these little cups right here. And then we're going to take this bag of compost right here. You can get it from Home Depot, anywhere, or create your own compost, which is what I prefer. But that takes time, so you got to just know how to make it. We're going to talk about that soon. But we got a bag for now, and we're going to make it work. We're going to sprinkle it around, and that'll be it. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we got the basil. This is basil. The cilantro is not doing the best right now. That's why I had to just transfer it over, and we're just gonna pray on that cilantro. But y'all see how the jalapenos looking? That's doing very well. We just replanted this. That's more basil, more basil. Those are onions and onions. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna sprinkle some fertilizer, some compost on everything, a good little sprinkle, give it a water, and we're gonna call it a night. All right, so we're getting close to the end. Yeah, I'm a little tired right now, but guess what? It's not about where you at, it's about where you going. You gotta work now to get somewhere. So I'm grinding. This is a priority right here. So we just got all that replanted. Time to water, let's go. There ain't no games with this. It's serious. Like Deontay Wilder said, to this day.
To this day. To this day. You just sit here and you don't know what I'm talking about?
Serious. To this day. Let's go. We grinding today. We're gonna stay grinding till this day. We get a little stuff water with the mister. I want to also tell y'all this before we leave. Don't do like I did. Like, this is what the point I wanted to make. We got to stop. I got to stop. We have to stop. The excuse of, I don't have time. I'm working. I ain't got time. That's what I was saying. This is priority. I sat here knowing I had to replot these plants. I kept putting it off. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Until it's now almost about to die. But I think I got it on the... But why put yourself in that situation when stuff get to the point where now you got to bring it back? I believe it's going to come back. But why even put yourself to that point? That we always do that. We get ourselves to that edge. Every time we get ourselves to that edge of trying to always come back. We do it financially. Spend a whole bunch of money, do a bunch of stupid stuff. Then when it get to the end, I gotta discipline myself. I gotta do this. I gotta do that. Why do we always, as a people, we put pressure on ourselves? Why? Why put pressure on yourself? But I'm stopping that excuse of I gotta have time. Ain't no I gotta have time. I gotta make time. We make time. All right. But for right now, what I just did, I just added this bag right here, black cow manure and compost. Just added that to this. I added it to everything. Just a sprinkle of black cow manure on everything. Give that good fertilization in there. Because, man, I'm at that point now. It's time to start seeing some big vegetables. I ain't playing no more. So, giving all this water. And, that's it, man. Thank y'all for watching. I'm going to just finish watering this up for the night, and that'll be it. So, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Tell a friend to subscribe. It really helps me out, really helps the channel out. I appreciate y'all. Please subscribe. Thank you.